everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everybody's having a great Monday. It's raining pretty hard here in BC, but hopefully it's going to be nicer this week, but probably not. Alright, so today I have a unboxing. It's FedEx. It's from LV in Edmonton. I have a new CA JC, so he seems like he's pretty good, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so let's go ahead. If you're new, welcome in, like, share, comment, subscribe is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. And just to let everyone know that when I reach 200 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So look forward to that. So make sure you share, tell your friends, and look forward to that. All right. All right, it's from FedEx, LV in Edmonton, and let's go ahead and unbox and see what I got today. All right, let's see if I have enough strength to do that. I'm getting old. Gonna be 60 in February, so what can I say? All right, we're in. Got some bubble wrap. That always comes handy, stuffing bags. Got another one. Got something there. More bubble wrap. Okay. Alright, that's empty. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, that's kind of weird. Okay, it's wrapped up in this bubble wrap, no box. Alright, so, but I did get a dust cover, so that's a good sign. Okay, and I only got 3 samples. Alright, I asked for men's samples and I asked for the new samples because I was going to buy some, a couple of refills and a surprise for the holiday. So let's see what he sent me here. Get my glasses on. Alright, this looks like it's Elmescent. So if you guys can see that, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, there's one of those. Here's La Sable Roses. That's one of the new ones. See that okay? And then the last one is Apogee. This is, I didn't even request this one. And there's no men's samples that I requested. So, and he just sent them this way. He didn't put them in a box or anything. But I did get a dust cover for my tag that I had stamped. So I guess that's a bonus. Yeah. Alright, okay, well that turned out pretty cool. That's my luggage stamp with the hockey sticks, and he put 60 on the bottom there for my age coming up in February. And then on the back side, it already had the New York stamp on it. Okay, so that turned out pretty good. It was silver, and then the 60 is in gold. And that says Edmonton. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. Until next time, thanks for watching Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a good week, guys. Bye-bye.